Hey guys, recently I've been getting a lot of questions like, can AI videos be monetized? Or can this niche make money? These are super important questions because no one wants to invest time and effort without seeing returns. So, in today's video, I'm here to answer all of them and help you get on the right track from the start. Let's go. To enable monetization on YouTube, your channel first needs at least 1,000 subscribers and must meet one of two conditions: 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply, and YouTube will review your channel. During this process, YouTube checks if your content complies with its policies, especially regarding copyright and community guidelines. The team will look at your top-performing videos to evaluate originality and creativity. If your channel reuses content too much without adding new value, it will likely be denied monetization. This is a common reason many channels face rejection. So I want to emphasize that creativity is the key factor. And now I'll illustrate an example for you. Here's a video that shows you how to create animal hybrids, a niche that's currently a hot trend with many channels focusing on this topic. And currently, this video has already reached 41,000 views, not counting views on other channels. Imagine if these 41,000 views led to 41,000 shorts channels, all doing the exact same thing. What do you think would happen? Here's the simple answer. We'd end up with 41,000 channels, all with nearly identical content. When I searched animal hybrid, you can see the results yourself. Dozens of channels with similar names and videos. I could scroll all day and still not reach the end. Channels like these, even with high subscriber counts, are almost certain to be denied monetization because of YouTube's reused content policy. With videos like these, my advice is simple. Focus on learning editing techniques, but don't stop there. You need to add your own creative touch. Here's an example of a video where I've put my own unique spin on it, something you probably haven't seen on any other channel. First, we create the hybrid, but if it turns out too ugly, we crush it. After crushing it, the new version looks way better. And there are thousands of ways to add creativity. A video can easily be copied if it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to make. But when you invest real time into it, it becomes much harder for anyone to replicate your content. In the end, it's the uniqueness and creativity that determine whether your channel can be monetized, not AI or any other factor. Wishing you all success.